Abubakar.
This man!
Abubakar. 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 Landlord, what is this, yo? Internet landlord, where they worry, yo? Landlord, what is this, yo? Internet landlord, where they worry, yo? Landlord, travel and see, yo. Travel and see, yo. Travel and see, travel and see. Your mate, they get house, tenant, they get peace. You say that bege, I no fish out, I no free cry. Landlord, your matter tire me.
I think on the same. And well, I'm the landlord in charge here. Number one internet landlord. I might not have house or skyscraper, but at least
Senior no respect.
I'm fine, I hope no problem.
You an agent?
Yes.
That's your work.
Yes.
My brother, I've been running around the whole this area. I couldn't find a house. You are the agent of.
You are in the right source. Yes, I'm the agent. Yes.
This house, is it inside here?
Actually, no, but it's still around the area.
It's still around the area?
Yes, not far from here. It's still around the area.
I hope it's not place that is very, very far.
No,
I don't need place that I'll be trekking from here now to Junction. You take me very far.
No, this one is clear, genuine, everywhere. You like the place?
Yes,
you like
are
the
you
place.
sure? Oh yeah, let's go now. Let me go and see the house.
You want to go and check the house?
Let's go now.
No problem.
Abubakar. 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 Abubakar.
Landlord!
who is that?
Landlord, it's me, Danjo.
Danjo.
Yes, landlord, good afternoon. Landlord, I came to look for you.
So what happened?
Landlord, I went to your house, so they said you came to the site. So I decided to come and check you here.
So why are you tracing me?
You know I've started this agent work, and my signboard, I posted it outside. So this young man saw it and said he's looking for a house.
Yes, sir. I have seen the house. The house is very, very, very okay. I love the house.
He's your client?
Yes, he's my client, yes.
Yes, sir. Do you trust him?
He's a good man, I trust him.
Have you lived in any compound before?
Yes, sir. I've lived in like two compound, like one self-contained and one bedroom flat.
Yes.
And you did well there?
I did perfectly okay there. Yes, sir.
I know what I'm asking, though. I hope you're not a thief.
No.
Do you trust him?
Yes, I trust him. He's a good man.
Look at he has 2 earrings already.
Sir, this is just fancy. It's not in a...
Let fancy be fancy.
No problem, sir.
It's all right. You have shown him the house.
Yes, I've shown him the house and he said he liked it.
You like it?
Yes.
I love it.
Have you told him price?
No, that was why I came to you now.
So what do you do for a living first?
I'm a businessman.
Business.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Judas.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Jew what?
Judas.
His name is Judas now.
His name is Judas.
Any problem, sir?
There is problem. Your name alone is a problem. Danjo, why will you bring Judas to my compound? You brought Judas to come and live in my compound and you want me to accept? You dey crazy? Don't you have sense? Okay, let me ask you. What story have you heard about Judas in the Bible? Tell me one particular story you've heard about him.
That Judas sold Jesus Christ.
Judas sold Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Then after selling Jesus, what was the next thing that happened?
He committed suicide.
And died.
Yes.
So you want this young man to sell me and commit suicide and also die so that government will come and hold me that somebody have died in my compound. He will be the one to sell me. At the same time, government will still hold me that somebody have died in my compound. It no go work. You can't stay in my compound.
Sir, I don't understand. That is just a biblical name, not real.
My brother, that name is not good for me. Whether Bible or not, I don't like the name.
Forget those things. All these things happened in the Bible now.
It's a lie. Everything that happened in the Bible is happening today on earth here. The whole thing started from Bible. If Judas can sell Jesus Christ, are you telling me you are not heard about people selling human beings? It was that same Judas that introduced kidnapping. It was Judas that introduced selling of human parts. It was Judas that introduced, in fact, stealing. And you want me to accommodate that name? It no go work.
Okay. If you claim so, what about Job in the Bible that did good? How many people is answering Job now?
Nobody will want to answer Job because Job suffered well. From beginning, he was suffering. So nobody want to suffer. Let's leave Job out of this one. This man is Judas, and Judas cannot stay in my compound.
But sir, there is no carrot in my name.
There's no what?
There's no carrot in my name.
Okay, Judas is carrot, and you think you will not behave like him. Listen, whether carrot or no carrot, this man is Judas. If I bring him to the compound now, before you know it, you add carrot to his name. Carrot will later enter.
Sir, I don't like carrots.
So I should believe that you don't eat carrot.
Yes, sir.
Danjo, so what are you people telling me now?
Those things are in the past. I accept him, he's a good man, and he said he don't love carrots. Me too, I don't love carrots.
We are going to reach an agreement.
What is the agreement
again?
We are going to reach an agreement. We are going to my compound. You will sign for me.
Hey.
Any day I see him with carrot, he will leave my compound.
Any day you see him with carrot,
He is leaving my compound, including you.
including me.
Yes. If Judas Iscariot can say Jesus and he's just Judas, any day he eat carrot has entered the name. So he will say me, I don't need problem. Are you signing or not?
Okay, fine, we'll accept.
I accept.
If I see you with carrot, or I even see you eating any food that has carrot inside,
Oh.
salad has carrot, I know what I'm saying, no? Avoid everything.
Yes, sir.
If I see you eating any food, or you fry anything that has carrot,
Ha.
I'm coming. Take him to the compound, you will sign for me. I'm coming.
This man. Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Read this thing, read it. Read it audible, so that your partner will hear it.
I, Judas, without carrots, I promise in this house that I will not eat or touch anything that look like carrots, or even eat or put carrot in my food. If I, Judas, without carrots, ever try it,
Read that place now. Why are you choking it?
if I ever try it, I will pack out from this house without any of my property.
If you know you will make that mistake, please, we have not gone far. You are his witness. If you know you will not eat it, you sign so that let me know what I'm doing with you. Take.
Landlord, but this thing is too much.
No, don't worry. I will,
Your friend said he will not eat anything
don't
that
worry,
has to do with
don't
carrot.
Worry, don't worry, I will sign.
Is this in your real signature?
It's my real signature, landlord.
Okay, you are the witness. Sign there. See witness, this thing. Sign there.
I should sign too.
Don't just sign now. Are you not the witness?
Nah.
This is how you people fail to understand simple things about life. I'll document it. You'll get your copy tomorrow. You get your own copy tomorrow. Good. So it's nice doing business with you.
So can I go
Nah,
now?
landlord,
Can I go now?
You can go.
Let's go.
landlord, I no longer understand.
Judas, they have sent you to come and kill me. They have sent you to come and sell me. You did not see me. I know how to handle your type. You have signed. I'll monitor you. From today, you see me. Judas.
Oga Landlord.
The Judas himself. What are you eating?
Oh, you can see I'm eating egg now.
Under this rain.
Under this, what thing man go do now?
Wait, hope there's no carrot inside.
No, there's no carrot. I told you don't eat carrot.
You don't eat carrot?
I don't eat carrot at all.
In that case, I'll have to test it.
Eh?
I'll test it.
But there's no carrot inside now.
I have to be sure. Let me test it. Have you forgotten our agreement?
Well, no, Oga Landlord, no problem. Bread?
You know, fried egg always go with bread like this. So in order to make it look like you're eating it, you have to improvise. I'm testing it,
70 years old man.
so that you don't kill me in this compound.
Everything.
Everything, including the onion.
Hey! Wait,
Away.
Oga Landlord,
Huh?
do you know that you're just taking all of my egg?
It's not my fault. It's the fault of the agreement we had. Have that in your head. You know what? Go and fry that egg, but don't put carrot. If not, it will affect you. Did you hear me?
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
Abeg, Oga, abeg, give me mineral.
Mineral.
Make it cool, be cool one. Correct one, abeg. This weather we dey like this, I know. Just bring am come. Ah, confirm.
Never give me money.
I will give you money now. Wetin dey do you now? I never drink it. They ask me for money. Put down. Down for Jesus. Ah, this one wey dey pour like this.
What are you doing? You want to drink mineral?
Any problem?
There is problem. I'll have to test it.
Test mineral, okwa.
Yes, because I don't trust the producers. There might be carrot inside.
But this mineral, there's no carrot inside.
It might have the taste of carrot. Do you know the makers? You only know mineral, but you don't know the makers. Let me test it.
Which kind of problem I enter, Kwano?
It's for your own good, though.
70 years old man.
Is there any carrot inside now?
I'm still testing. Give me space.
Sorry, oh.
Oga Landlord, carrot today inside. Carrot today inside. No wait, carrot inside this thing.
There's no
Why you
carrot.
do like this? Now, since I enter your house, give me my mineral, I beg. Since I enter your house, I'm sure they do me. So what are you going to everything? I don't fry egg. You don't chop her. No.
Hey! Keep quiet. It will leave my compound if you make more noise.
I don't like this way they do. I don't like that. Which kind? Don't worry me, I beg. See my mineral. Don't short. Tell me my money.
Landlord, what is this, yo? Internet landlord, where they worry, yo? Landlord, what is this, yo? Internet landlord, where they worry, yo? Landlord, travel and see, yo. Travel and see, your mate they get house, tenant they get peace. You say that big.
Oga Landlord,
Huh?
what are you doing?
What do you think I'm doing? I'm eating noodles.
You're eating noodles. You think this is ordinary noodles?
Why will you prepare noodles? I saw carrot inside, so I have to consume it.
To be mumu.
This is food that I prepared for my dog, and you're eating it. These noodles, this food you're eating, contain all the whole drugs for my dog. This food has anti-rabies, so that anytime my dog bites somebody, the person will not die.
So what will happen to me now?
You don't know what will happen to you. Is either you bark like a dog, or you bite like a dog.
Abubakar,
Abubakar.
what have I done to myself?
As Judas I am, I will still sell you, but I will not commit suicide. You get to the point now. We move. Enjoy.
No, na me fuck up.